Okay, a couple things I want to actually focus a little bit more. And one of them, if we look in the view, it is a save boundary. So what does save boundary does for? It is when you're creating your work. Okay, let's go to zoom out. You can see right here when enable, we have this gray area. And what's happening, it is a little bit safe area, usually boundary, a little bit larger than your canvas size. And it's allowed you work, and it's kind of save some of your work and other things. So if I start drawing outside, you can see it does say on my save area, my save boundary. So it's kind of extend your canvas. But remember, your canvas, it is a little bit bigger size. So you can modify your save boundary by going in the properties. On this case, if we're going in edit and we'll go preference, inside the preference right on the bottom, we have it save boundary. So right here, we can enable visible, invisible, and also we can say what is size of this currently save boundary 10% of my canvas, and its opacity set to 20%. So you can modify the save boundaries inside your preference menu. Again, you maybe not necessarily always want to use it, but just in case if you want it, and when you work, for example, with the Vicom planchette or on the iPad or other areas, you maybe want to enable the save boundary just in case for your canvas as you're working along.